What's up, YouTube? Back again with another video. Oh man, today I'm just gonna show you my monthly income report from last month. April is now May. Um, this last week, last couple of days have been slow. Ever since that announcement, I had 2 days with no sales, which never happens. Um, but yeah, let's get right into it and show you guys um, how much money I made and what went on this month. Now let's go to the analytics. Previous month. Alright, this month kind of sucked ass, to be honest. And I honestly did it to myself because I'm sure you guys seen the videos where I priced everything that hasn't sold to 1307. So what happened this month is the the shirt that I make the most money on didn't sell at all. It only sold like one time or something like that, which is crazy because this shirt I've sold, it usually sells about 35, 40 times a month, and out of nowhere it just stopped selling. And one of the days I click on the link to look at it or whatever, the shirt, and it was giving me like the Amazon little dog thing, what happens when you delete something or it's not showing up. So I don't know what's going on with Amazon right now and all the stuff they're changing, but my number one seller didn't sell last month, and that was concerning. So this month, my royalties were really low, because all the shirts that I priced at 1307 ended up selling. So it kind of made up for as far as numbers, as far as how many sales I have for all the ones that I for my top seller that didn't sell this month. So it's a very interesting month. So I only made $110 in royalties, a little lower than what I usually expect, but I did that because I want to tear up to 1,000. Now all these rules are changing, and I don't even know, if that was worth it. So, for now on, I'll definitely be off the gate, pricing all my products at $17.99 at least, and then when it sells, maybe once or twice, back up to $19.99. Um, Trying to get my royalties up higher. Now I'm not too much worried about what tier I'm in, and now I'm just going for the royalty. So that's a little bit of what I got going on. So I had 56 sales, 3 returns. I made $110 in royalties. Um, my average royalty was 197, which is low because there's a lot of shirts that I didn't make anything because I made it at 1307. About 2 sales a day, 369 a day. Okay. My best day, I had 7 sales, which it was like a couple shirts that, like I said, were priced for no royalty. So, you know, kind of got pounded this month. So, let's look at what sold. 49 standards, 4 tank tops, and 3 phone cases. Um, what I usually do is all of the shirts, like when I'm picking my products, I always just choose standard t-shirts. And then after, the design is solidified and I know somebody will buy it on a shirt, and then I know somebody will buy it on a tank top, then I know somebody will buy it on a hoodie. So then that's what I do. Um, so yeah, I've only sold 3 products. Tank tops seem like they might start picking up again because um, the weather is getting more hot. It's not as cold. I haven't really sold any hoodies. I didn't sell any hoodies this month, so that's definitely what's going on because I usually sell at least a few a month. Um, I got some Apple phone cases. I never choose that product, but lately I've been choosing them. So I got a few of those sold. Men fit type, women fit type. 44 men, 99 women. Um, Now I just know that like the designs I make are mostly for men, so I don't usually target women's clothes because I looked and reviewed my data, and this is my bread and butter. So it's probably because all of my designs are big and bold. You want your design kind of be as big as possible, so you get clicked when there's hundreds of shirts in front of somebody. So I kind of look at it that aspect. So it's probably why I choose bolder fonts and stuff of that nature. Um, Top colors: 55% black, 13% white, so 31.7. This is pretty much how my top colors look every month. Um, I kind of switch it up a lot because I really want to see what sells and not just what I like, because I'm starting to realize in merch what you like is not what everybody likes. So you just kind of got to throw it out there and see the data. But black is definitely number one seller. Um, so yeah, this one that's at 14.48 was my number one seller normally, and I usually have 35 sales of these a month, and I only had four, which sucked. So either there's somebody trying to copycat my design, or I'm just dealing with, Amazon changing their platform and a bunch of stuff not being how it's supposed to be. So let's go to top seller. And this is my other top seller. This is the one that I sold more than any other shirt, but not as much royalty. It's literally a plain shirt with one word on it. It's just kind of in the field that I'm in professionally. So I got down those keywords. So anytime I try to press up the price on these, they stop selling. So I just kind of take my dollar royalty and, keep using that to tear up. This shirt right here is actually a shirt that my girlfriend wanted me to make for her. And after I made it, it actually sold 8 more times after that, which is cool. Um, this right here is for a weed shirt. So 420, I got some weed shirt sale sold. I have a bunch of those. I'm not gonna lie, I have a bunch of those. I don't have as many as I did because I deleted a bunch when they changed the rules. I was kind of scared to have them because of the new terms. Um, these two right here are trends. I caught a trend early, and I'm on the first page. But I don't know if I'm going to keep these designs because now somebody copywritten the trend. So now I'm kind of scared. So we'll see if they get approved for the trademark or not. And I think these four right here. No. Yep, these four right here are from my clothing line. Um, Friends and family trying to buy my clothes. And these also, all the rest of these are from my clothing brand. I charge a little bit more for my tank tops from my clothing brand because I'm bringing in my own traffic. Let's see. Yeah, a lot of these now are just my clothing brand. Um, Except this one. All the ones that are zero, these are the ones that I ranked. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, 6, and this one too. So these are the ones that sold for the first time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 new things that actually this one too. All these ones that are priced low are ones that I had up that never sold. I don't really price my stuff low like that. Once it sells once, I bump up the price. So that was interesting. All these ones sold for the first time. Everything else is my clothing line, and that's one thing that I that will help you a lot in your merch journey is simply starting a brand. Um, leveraging, your audience and the people that are around you and friends and family and your Instagram, your Facebook. So, I mean, it's easier for me to market my, and upgrade my account because, when my merch count isn't going good, then I head to social media and leverage, my brand. So that was this month. It's all over the place. 13372. It's all over the place. Um, can't wait till my account gets a little bit more consistent. Um, maybe like 4 a day. I'm trying to get at least. But I have some good days that are beyond that. But I want to get my account more consistent. So, so yeah, that's this month. Right now, today, what I'm working on and my goals are right now are to get as many designs up as possible because of the new tier change. Um, this is not going to be products, it's going to be designs instead. As far as counting up how many spaces you have in your tier to post stuff. So, today, and I hope you guys are doing it too, is um, before they change the dashboard platform, I want to make sure to get as many designs up as possible because we don't know if they're going to make it so you have to have 80% products full before you can tier up. And we're not going to wait to find out if that's what they're doing. Um, so I hope you guys are knocking out some designs today, being proactive, man, and I can tell the way merch is going, it's gonna start being little less passive and a little more. You have to really be on your account and you know getting it in, making sure you're getting work done. So yeah, man, that's all I got for this video. Just make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, give me feedback on how you guys did this month or anything you guys want to see me post and information that you guys need on stuff. Um, I'll be glad and willing to make a video on it. But yeah, man, until next time.